Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe. Here we'll invest with Joel. As I said in my previous video, this is a new channel that I'm putting together, just documenting my financial journey and my trading life and what we're doing to make money, basically. So the previous video, I was talking more about crypto. I kind of want to split up the segments when we talk about different things just to have different playlists for the people that only care about stocks and the people that only care about crypto or the people that only care about foreign exchange. So yeah, now we're looking at stocks. This week, December 2nd, we have some earnings coming out. There's not a lot of big companies on the, well, let me not say it like that. There's not a lot of things I would trade on the earnings pitch. Like I wouldn't trade any of these earning calls that are coming out. Maybe Dollar Tree, that one. Or sorry, Dollar General. Oh, Dollar Tree is there too. Okay. Yeah, I would look at both of those. But I usually try to stay away from trading earnings. I feel like it's more volatile. It's not worth it. Sorry if you hear a noise, somebody's banging into the office. Um, so yeah, these are some of the notable companies that are coming out. I try to stay away from the extra volatility during earning season or earning week and look for different coins that are, sorry, different stocks that are in my preview that I could trade and that are in line with the risk I'm trying to take on. But yeah, I think this week will be a nice little quiet week. The markets have already seemed to start to pull back a little bit, but I'm just taking that note off of the global market. Like gold is coming down, dollars rising, and I've seen that the Dow and the S&P kind of open flat. Let me see a minute. Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, a little bit. It's kind of flat. Well, the Dow's almost down 100 points, so I'm sure we can go down a little bit more, but I don't think like we're gonna have too much of a pullback right now and going into Monday. It won't be that big. I don't think it'll be a 500 point move like a couple weeks ago, or even 100 point, like 300 point move. So yeah, these are some good companies for the earning week. Uh, if you're into options and stock options, you should look into some of these. Let's go to some news and see what's happening. Yeah, this is December, so the job reports and we have a lot of economic news coming out this week, in the sense of job reports and non-farm payroll and seeing how the labor market is going. So let's get into some stocks that I've been looking at that I might take in. This is a position that I'm in right now. Uh, I think the ticker is PPL. It's an energy company. I'm in an option play on there right now. So when market opens, I should be in profit. When we closed yesterday, sorry, on Friday when we closed, when the market closed, we kind of rallied up a little bit, almost a percent. So I got in at I'd have to check, but sorry, I'm using my phone to record this. But I got in at I think it was a $35 call. Sorry, strike price of $35, but it's a call for till January. So, but I'm just looking for a good momentum push and then probably close it out with some profits. But I don't mind holding it because I believe with this new Trump administration coming in, there will be some energy sector is kind of pushing up, and this being a energy play, I think it fits the line. I've been looking at some of the analyst reviews, and what I saw from last time I looked, if we're still in line, yeah. So not a lot of holds, but more buys than holds. So and soft buys and then some strong buys. We did miss some earnings. I don't know what was this. I think this is a while ago. Oh, okay, this is Q3. I don't know the date on there. It's not saying it, but there was a miss. But I won't be in it till February 4th, so I'm not worried about it. But the company is looking healthy. The chart is what really got to my eye. When I get to the next screen, I will try to pull up some charts in a minute. But from just this line chart perspective, the chart really looked nice. and I think it has potential to. And year to date, we're up. Yeah, look at this chart. This chart just looks beautiful. So this would have been something to buy in lower down here, but it just came on my radar a couple days ago, and I like the price of the options plus the implied volatility and the upcoming reason catalyst for maybe why this would run. And a lot of energy stocks are kind of picking up right now. And earlier today too, I want to get off track, but I was looking at this website. Oh, okay, it's on my other thing. 1 minute. Uh, okay, sorry about that. Coming back. I was looking at this other thing, and they had some. Sorry about that. They had some energy stocks on here. Like, okay, as you see right here, this is Duke Energy. Let's go look at the ticker. And I seen that some Congress people um were buying it up a little bit. So they maybe know something that we don't know. Potentially, most likely. And see, a lot of energy companies. So two energy companies right here at the top, and they bought this last week before Thanksgiving. So, um, Marjorie Taylor. Hmm. Isn't this the crypto lady that wants to do crypto? I'm not subscribed to this. I don't know if I can see this. There's just a new platform I came across. Oh yeah, yeah, I think that is her. So, um, yeah. So, let's see these all time. Wow, it's crazy. Uh, Sorry, computer's kind of lagging a little bit. Sorry for the inconvenience. Don't want to make this video too long. Last video got a little out of hand. Um, yeah, so in 5 years we're up. Year to date, we're up 20%. Chart looks good in the long run. See what the analysts say. This is not something that's on my list to trade right now, but I don't mind looking through it and seeing it when a potential opportunity does arise for me to get in. We missed the last earnings call, so that's not great. We have a lot of holds that I don't like. Definitely don't like to. We have more holds than buys. So for me, I would not buy. But if it's a long-term play, I think it's good. But as an option, I would probably wait a little bit. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Uh, let's go to the charts real quick. I was looking at DraftKings too. I like this as an option play for this week. Potential option play. When I get to the charts, I'll go to a few more that I like two or three more that I saw. These might be a little bit longer. I can't call the actual strike price, or sorry, the expiration right now, but I would go at least 2 months to a month out on something like a DraftKings. I think we could pick up, and around Super Bowl time and basketball season picking up, baseball. Baseball's not back right now, but hockey and all these things. So people are parlaying, they are betting right now, especially when the Super Bowl comes. So I would, if I was getting in a contract, I would try to push it out till February, depending that there could be some type of uh bigger move coming. Um, where's the high? 52, so $49. So yeah, it has room to run. All Everybody's saying buy. So yeah, I think that's a good one. Let's get to the charts and then I let you guys get out of here. So last week, I'll come back to to that. Let's start with the Qs. So I'm not gonna lie, guys. I've been trading for about 5 years now. Trading Forex mostly of that time was Forex, and then going into crypto about 2020. 2019, 2020, I got into crypto, but I've been trading Forex since like 2017. So now I'm getting into options and coming to this new year, I want to take it serious and really focus on options as a long-term swing trading narrative. And that's how I'm trying to play it. So last week, I'm testing out my option strategy basically before I bring it to the public. And I was in this call for QQQ. I think it was a 602 call. No, 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 no. five. It was like 506, I think, or 505. Not, no, it wasn't. Yeah, 506 around here. So I got in this call, but I got kind of weary and I stopped out. I closed out early, so I didn't really reap the reward. But this would have been a great move on options. Just got to be a little bit more patient. Can't trade options like you trade stocks or crypto. That's something I'm kind of noticing. Um, Not that I'm noticing it to test it out, but something I come to the realization that you have to be a little bit more patient with your option trades. You can't be too quick. Like it's not really I'm not scalping the market. I'm more of swing trading 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months out. So yeah, I kind of missed that trade. Well, I missed the potential of the trade. I was in the trade, but I didn't get what I was supposed to get out of it. So when I look at stocks, I kind of like to look at the week daily. So QQQ, I think we started pulling back a little bit on Friday, but I think we could continue. Maybe we pull back to this middle VWAP area here. That's kind of low though. I don't see that happening too much unless there's like a catalyst, like bad news, that'll bring us down into that level. That's a 2% move almost. So it's possible, but as I see here, price is kind of moving up, and we've kind of been in this volume area collecting volume. So I think we could definitely push up to another area, take out these highs at 515, and go further to about 520. So I'll be looking out for that to see how this week plays out, and if we can get a catalyst that can push us, that can push us higher. So yeah, that's what I see on QQQ. That's an option play I'm looking at personally. Um, and I'm always looking at QQQ and SPY. SPY is kind of just looking a little, they're both looking overextended, but I just feel that QQQ is a little bit the overextension is not as bad. Um, and it's the tech sector, so we always could get a pullback, but we usually rebound. So with SPY, if we can maintain this 600 to 206 area, I'll be looking to get in some calls. I'll probably go into 2 weeks out calls. Uh, but if we did get a pullback, that would be the best time to get into those 2 week calls. But I would get into a call. I don't know the prices right now, but I would probably look for 609. Yeah, like a 609 call. Maybe that's even too high. I would say 605, like a 605 call, and try to ride it up for 2 weeks. I think that's a good play, maybe. Uh, So yeah, I don't really have too many plays on options. I'm trying not to look for too many plays in the week, maybe one or two to trade weekly. And so I try not to overpower myself. This was a trade I was in a few weeks ago. Um, I got out here though. This was on the earnings call. And we pumped up and I basically I made like 100%. And and I sold out. And since then we pulled back. This has been like a couple days ago. This was the earnings. So when was this? The 12th. Okay, so it's been 2 weeks or so. So we pulled up, I got out, and since then we haven't made it back up. I think it could go up, but I'm trying to trade more volatility pairs, and it's not really like consumer discretionaries or consumer staples. Um, this was something else I think I was looking at. Yeah, this is more low cap, but I did love the chart. Yeah, I like the chart. And I think I saw it on a algorithm or something, but I like this. We are stuck in this volume range, but when I was looking at the option rule, I seen that they had some calls for like January and out till like January. So I think that's a good bang for your buck. That we could get that push. And if I'm not mistaken, this might be an energy company. I'm not sure. They've been missing though. But yeah, and then on the indicator, seeing some things coming up here, getting that bump. So maybe we could go up a little bit. So yeah, I like that chart. Well, that's something I played out. Other than that, I'm kind of staying away, not getting too big with the options. Let's look at the US 30, and because I did mention that earlier. I'm not gonna go into, I'll do these four right here. So US 30, I'm just looking for a good little pullback. If I see some breaks below here, this area, if we start breaking down, then I'll go for shorts. But right now I don't really want to short the market unless I see a good confirmation, a good thesis that why I should go down with why I should short the market down. But right now, interest rates are getting lower, money's coming into the system, and assets are being bought up. So I don't really see a reason that I would need to be shorting too much. Because unless it's like a quick scalp, but I would prefer not to. I would just rather ride the longs. And with the S&P, yeah, like I said, the S&P looks kind of good. Let's see how the SPY opens up tomorrow. We did fill this gap fill. So yeah, but this volume node is kind of pointing down. So I would like to see us reclaim it, but right now we're pointing down. Is that doing now US 30? Not really. It's kind of opening up a little bit, but it could turn down. And yeah, NASDAQ definitely is turning down a little bit. But when New York session open with volume is low right now, so hopefully we can get a pushback around New York time. And then let's do gold. I was looking at this. I forgot to set my signal. This is something I should have just got into on a Forex trade. Oh, I kind of forgot to set my trend line signal here. So I kind of didn't get in. But it's good to always forecast your trades. And when they do play out, even though you didn't get in, it's good for the mental and just to show like you you do know what you're doing and things like that. So I take that as a win, even though I didn't technically win, but I take it as a win because I forecasted on like yesterday and I put this trend line up and as soon as market open, we melted down and now if I see some more continuation, I'll like to ride this down. If we can go try to go back to these levels because that's where we bounced off yesterday. Oh, sorry, the last few weeks and things like that. Hopefully we can get back down there. This was kind of yeah, this was after the election, but we've been since the election we've been coming down, so I can't complain about it. So yeah, I'm not gonna make this video too long. Already at 17 minutes. Um, like I said, let's go back to the markets. Like I said, markets are open for business, and we have opportunity earnings week this week. Few good companies on there. Do your research, see what you like to get into. Um, some of my plays are XPY, QQQ, and I think it was WULF, if I'm not mistaken. Let me find it. Yeah, ticker symbol WULF, yes. So that's something I like too. That's more of a swing option. But yeah, thanks for checking out the video. Like I told you guys in the beginning of the video, this is a new channel. I'm going to bring you guys tons of value, tons of alpha, tons of opportunity to make money within the crypto market, within the stock market, and within the foreign exchange market. We're going to find trades. We're going to find new assets. We're going to find new stocks. That's my job. That's what I want to bring to this channel. So if you guys are rocking with it, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment and let me know what video you want to see. And I'll make sure to bring it to you. Tuning out here with Invest with Joel. Appreciate the view, appreciate the opportunity, and let's get this money, baby.